So in this clip we are going to have a look on what are the main electrical components which the machine has. So it is important to know the components so that it is easy for us to work with that. So let's first, this is the main controller where it is located at the top of the machine. So this main controller consists of the network ports and USB ports and all the stuff. The main control also gives signals through feeders and other units. Okay, so this is how we have to remove all the necessary cables from the main controller. And before you remove, make sure you take a photo of it so that it is easy for us to remember from where the connector has been taken out and what are the connectors and where it goes. So now we removed entire, so let's remove the side door so that complete main controller can be detached from that machine. Remove like 6 screws from the PCB so that the main controller can be separately taken off. So if any situation comes, you'll have to replace the main controller. This is how you replace with the new one. So now let's see the bottom part where the high voltage power supply and DC controller are located. So remove the necessary screws so that the cover can be taken away. So this is a DC controller. The DC controller is the main function of DC controller. It is distributing the signals across the components. So, and it has a large number of cables, harnesses connected than a main controller. So, and most of them are identical. So make sure the connectors removed from which location. And now we have removed. And this is a high voltage power supply. The high voltage power supply is responsible to distribute the high voltage to charger and transfer all other necessary things. So before you work on the high voltage power supply, make sure you discharge yourself and turn off the machine well in advance so that it can be. Now we have to take the entire frame off. So for that, taken off the cables and the harnesses from its clips and the roots. But again, advice is just to take a photo before you remove so that it is easy for us to reassemble it again. Now let's see how to remove the developing assembly. So for that, open the small flap covered by unscrewing one so that the lever can be moved. So the developer will disengage from its position, and once there's a connector, remove the connector and pull gently the developing unit out. And let's see how to remove the front door. Opening 2 screws and just taken off the pins from its position the door can be removed separate from the machine like this. And let's see how to take off the toner cover. It's basically toner door, so that we can get exposed to the assembly which is inside. So by taking off few screws, that can be removed. So it's quite easy when you follow the manual how to remove and reassemble the parts. Hope you like the video. Thank you.